Simple cardio exercises at home for beginners. Burpee. A burpee is a type of full-body exercise that involves multiple movements, including a squat, push-up, and jump. To perform a burpee, start in a standing position, then drop down into a squat and place your hands on the ground. From there, kick your feet back into a push-up position and perform a push-up. Next, bring your feet back up to the squat position, and finally, jump up into the air while reaching your hands overhead. The burpee is often used in high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts and is a great way to increase cardiovascular endurance, strength, and agility. Jump rope. Jump rope, also known as skipping rope, is a popular form of exercise that involves jumping over a rope as it passes under your feet. It is a great cardiovascular workout that improves coordination, balance, and endurance. Jump rope can be done virtually anywhere, making it a convenient exercise option for many people. To jump rope, you will need a rope that is the correct length for your height. Hold the handles of the rope in each hand and stand with your feet together. Swing the rope over your head and jump over it as it passes under your feet. Keep your jump small and use your wrists to turn the rope. As you get more comfortable, you can increase the speed and complexity of your jumps by incorporating tricks and variations. Jump rope is often used in high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts, and can be a great way to warm up before a workout or to add some variety to your routine. It is also a popular activity for children and can be a fun way to stay active and healthy. Jumping jack. Jumping jack, also known as star jump, is a basic calisthenic exercise that involves jumping from a standing position with your feet together and your hands at your sides to a position where your feet are spread apart and your hands are overhead. To perform a jumping jack, start by standing with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Next, jump up while simultaneously spreading your legs out to the sides and raising your arms overhead. Land softly on the balls of your feet and immediately jump again to return to the starting position. Jumping jacks are often used as a warm-up exercise or as a part of a cardiovascular workout. They are a great way to get your heart rate up and to work multiple muscle groups at once, including your legs, core, and shoulders. Jumping jacks can also be modified to increase or decrease the intensity of the exercise, making them accessible for people of all fitness levels. Stretching, front toe touch. The front toe touch is a basic stretching exercise that targets the muscles in the back of the legs, particularly the hamstrings. Here's how to perform the front toe touch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Take a deep breath and raise your arms overhead. Exhale and bend forward at the waist, reaching your hands toward your toes. Keep your knees straight, but don't lock them. Allow your head and neck to relax. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout. Slowly roll back up to standing, one vertebra at a time. Repeat the front toe touch stretch 2 or 3 times, taking a few deep breaths between each repetition. You can also modify the stretch by bending your knees slightly or placing your hands on your shins or thighs instead of reaching for your toes. Avoid bouncing or jerking movements, which can strain the muscles and lead to injury. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. Stretching, flexion leg sit-up. You can repeat this stretch on each leg 2 to 3 times, taking a few deep breaths between each repetition. Avoid jerking or bouncing movements, which can strain the muscles and lead to injury. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. Stretching, single leg stretch, bent knee. Stretching, single straight leg stretch. Stretching, bridge pose Setu Bandhasana. Stretching, plyo side lunge stretch. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.